Right, welcome to my how-to guide setting on how to activate and deactivate the final beeper setting on your Zanussi jet system washing machine. So to deactivate that beeper setting, you need to take a look at the control panel. It's all models where there are either 3 or 5 buttons along here and with or without a display. Because what you need to do to deactivate it is press and hold the first 2 option buttons nearest to the program dial. So the first 2 on here are spin and options. Press and hold. And you hear beep. Now that beep means it's turned off. To reactivate, press and hold the spin and options button again. And you hear another beep. Now you know you're doing it correctly because the spin icon, no matter where it is on here, so even if it's like 1400, will go out when you press and hold the other button. So now it's deactivated, we'll just press drain again. There we are. So the buzzer is now off. Thank you for watching my instructional video guide on how to activate and deactivate the beeper setting on your Zanussi jet system washing machine. I hope you found this video helpful to do it for yourself at home on your own machine. Whether to activate it so you can now hear it when it finishes, or deactivate it so it's not waking you up at night. Thank you for watching.